Best smart home devices under $50. Budget-friendly starter picks. Best smart home devices under $50. Budget-friendly starter picks. Getting started with a smart home doesn't have to drain your wallet. If you've been curious about automating your living space but worried about the cost, I have great news. There are genuinely excellent budget smart home devices available right now that will transform how you live without requiring a major financial commitment. In this guide, we're going to explore some of the best affordable smart devices under $50 that actually deliver real value and functionality. The beauty of starting with budget smart home technology is that you can test the waters without risk. Maybe you're not sure if you'll actually use voice commands or automated lighting. Maybe you want to see if smart home living fits your lifestyle before investing in premium systems. Affordable smart devices let you experiment and learn what features matter most to you. Plus, many of these cheaper options work seamlessly with major platforms like Amazon Alexa and Google Home. So you're not locked into any one ecosystem. You can mix and match as you discover what works best for your needs. Smart plugs are probably the easiest entry point into budget smart home living. These simple devices plug into your existing outlets and let you control whatever's plugged into them from your phone or voice assistant. You can set schedules so your coffee maker turns on before you wake up, or make it look like someone's home by automatically turning lamps on and off while you're away. Most smart plugs under $50 include energy monitoring, which means you can see exactly how much power each device is using. This is surprisingly helpful for identifying energy vampires in your home. You'll find quality options from major manufacturers that cost between $15 and $35. Smart lighting is another category where you can find incredible value without spending much money. Instead of replacing all your light bulbs, consider starting with one or two smart bulbs in the rooms you use most. A single smart bulb typically costs between $10 and $20 and offers thousands of color options if you go with color changing varieties. You can dim lights, change colors, set schedules, and control everything from your phone. Some people worry that smart bulbs are complicated to set up, but modern ones connect to your Wi-Fi in minutes and integrate with voice assistants immediately. If you want to control multiple lights at once, smart light switches are also available under $50 and give you more control over larger areas. Smart speakers have become incredibly affordable, and they're the hub that ties everything together. You can find compact smart speakers with quality sound and full voice assistant capabilities for $22, $40. These devices let you control all your other smart home gadgets using just your voice. Play music, check weather, set timers, and answer questions. The smaller models are perfect for bedrooms or kitchens, and they work just as well as their pricier counterparts for basic smart home control. If you're building a smart home on a budget, a smart speaker is one of the best investments you can make because it becomes the command center for everything else. Smart door locks and security cameras under $50 deserve serious consideration if you're thinking about home security. While premium options cost several $100s, there are genuinely solid affordable alternatives that offer basic smart lock functionality and camera monitoring. Some budget-friendly video doorbell cameras let you see who's at your door from anywhere and even talk to visitors through your phone. These devices provide real peace of mind and can help you decide whether to answer the door or let packages be left safely. Just make sure whatever you choose has good reviews for reliability, since security devices need to work consistently. Temperature control is another area where affordable Smart home devices can save you money long term. Smart thermostats under $50 let you control your heating and cooling remotely and set schedules that match your lifestyle. Some models learn your patterns and automatically adjust to save energy. Being able to lower your temperature before you get home or adjust it while you're away might seem like a small thing, but over months and years, these savings add up. Plus, there's real comfort in knowing you can warm up your house before arriving home on a cold day. For those interested in automation beyond basic control, affordable smart home hubs and controllers under $50 open up possibilities for more complex routines. These devices let you create automation rules like turning off all lights when you leave home or starting your morning routine with a single command. The entry-level options from major manufacturers provide enough power for most home automation needs without requiring technical expertise. You simply set up rules through an app, and your devices follow those instructions automatically. If you're looking for curated recommendations and want to discover which specific models offer the best value, you can find a great collection of budget smart home picks at Smart Home Under, where they focus specifically on quality devices that don't break the bank. When choosing cheap smart home devices, pay attention to a few key factors. First, check compatibility with your existing ecosystem, whether that's Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or Apple HomeKit. Second, read recent reviews from actual users who discuss reliability and ease of setup. Third, consider your most pressing need. Do you want to save energy, improve security, add convenience? Starting with devices that solve your biggest pain point makes the whole experience more satisfying. The wonderful thing about affordable smart home technology is that you don't need to commit to an expensive system to experience real benefits. You can start with one or two devices, see how you like smart home living, and gradually expand as your comfort and interest grow. Most people find that once they've automated a few things, they wonder how they ever lived without that convenience. So pick a category that excites you, grab a device under $50, and take your first step into smart home living today. What's the one thing you'd automate first if you could? Tell me in the comments which type of smart device appeals to you most, and I'll help point you toward the best budget options. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily AI insights.